Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Chipolo Ocean Edition tracker, and this works with iPhones and Androids with their tracking service. You simply download their app, register the tracker, and away you go. This is the Ocean Edition, so what that means is that there's a story involved with this tracker and the plastic from where it came from. So we'll quickly scroll over how that works. And then some of those details will end up in the bottom description of the video as well. But this is different from the Find My network that Apple runs. This is a Chipolo run network with their app, and it also works on Android devices. Simply connect it on your key ring, and you can track your keys, you can track your bag, or any other product that you want for yourself. And again, this runs on the Chipolo network with the iPhone app or the Android app from the Android Play Store. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.